Hello, I'm Crystal Dawn, and I am so excited to talk about sorting the two files. This has become a practice for me, a brain hack, so to speak, that when I start to worry about something, when I feel unease in my system, I can go through my filing system. I have a very strong secretary persona who likes filing, so this particular practice is extra helpful. And what I realize is that if I ask myself, is this something I can change, control, or influence? Or is this not something I can change, control, or influence? And if I put whatever I'm thinking about, whatever I'm feeling, whatever I'm worried about, if I put my brain in that category, if I put those items in those categories, I can be more present. I can show up more authentically. I can experience myself in a more evolved way because I'll have some choice point about where I'm wanting to put my attention. And if it is something that, I do have some influence over, I can use my creativity or my mind to create a different perception. But if it's something I can't control, then I can let go of it.